Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record WhatsApp video calls along with audio. So this basically works for devices on iOS, also not a problem. So whatever device you have, this is absolutely gonna work for you. Steps are the same. So normally when you use WhatsApp and when you try to call somebody through WhatsApp, you could see here, you do not get any option to record the video call. In such cases, what you could actually do is get onto the Google Play Store and download the specific application known as screen recorder or video recorder. Download that and install it to your smartphone and then open it. Now once you open it, you would get an option to draw over on other apps. Allow this and confirm it. Once you do that, once you do that, you are good to go. Tap on this next now and start. Now if you go to WhatsApp and try to make a video call, and you will get this automatically get this icon here to the right to record that call. Simple and easy. So for example, as you can see, I am on video call and you can see this icon is floating right here. If you tap on that icon, to the top right here, you will get an option to record the video. So by doing this, you could easily record your video calls on WhatsApp with audio, and you can save it to your smartphone for your future reference. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.